We're going on the ducks. Okay, bye. We're in the ducks. I don't know, I can't see what's going on. Ah, it's a bee! Hi, Bird and Yuri. Sing a song. Oh, well, imagine it's the place of the view. Church corridor. Castle of Error.
There might be some water coming up the front, getting myself in the first club road just a little bit misty. Yes. Okay, so it might be a cold ride, so good thing you guys got blankets. However, the small mist coming from the front will be nothing compared to the 50-foot tidal wave that's going to come crashing over the back dock. So if you guys do have anything valuable on the floor back there, I suggest picking it up now, because anything of yours that does wash forward, it becomes mine.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
12 seconds later.
Whoa! My deer! That's all I wanted to see! Oh my god! I got to see a deer! Finally! Huh? What do you think?
On our left is like
of course I've seen it. No! would you rate that?
I rate that. You just crunchy, scrappy, hungry.
How would you rate that?
Good.
How would you rate that?
Guys, I hacked the camera. So we're gonna go swimming. We're going to the hurricane. In the eye of the hurricane, there was quiet. They're also gonna go on doing mammoths and then the wave pool.
Imagine how much people and how long it took to build that.
We're gonna go swimming. BRB. Back at the hotel now. We're gonna go change and go to the pool. And if you're asking why we're out of breath, it's because we ran up the stairs. Okay, bye. We're heading to the pool, and I have Zac GoPro.
And I have myself and
here's
solo riding.
There's this guy, and here's Nihal Kailan. Wait, ready?
This is dope. We are on Roblox, guys. We are on Roblox.
Bird and Yuri, can you sing a song, please?
Oh my god.
Bird and Yuri, sing a song.
Back to the street where we begin.
Oh.
Can you sing Death of the Bachelor?
Okay.
Go.
How do
Easy as you get it. Oh, thank you.
We're gonna go swim. It's time for some GoPro footage. Okay, bye.
I've never seen a bird before.
Look, how is the bird?
Eat it. Bite its head off.
There's a bird! Oh my god, I've never seen one before!
I've never seen a bird before. I'm hungry. Oh, it's focused.
Bye, Bird and Yuri.
Bye.
Bird and Yuri's leaving. Okay, get out. Oh, bye. Bye, Bird and Yuri. Bye. 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 Bye.
It's okay, see nice set.
Bye. 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 Goodbye. Goodbye.
We can take Mosul. And, you know, Donald says he knows more about ISIS than the generals. No, he doesn't. There are a lot of very important planning going on, and some of it is to signal to the Sunnis in the area as